So finally, we are here with our new guest for today. 99 Workouts is all about candid chats and meeting people who have started their journey. Maybe later on during their life, realize that fitness is so important. Health and lifestyle and healthy lifestyle especially. But then to mold yourself and to get into the fitness profession, it's also very unique because when you come from a different background and then you mold yourself because of the passion, because of the interest which develops and you move on to the fitness industry. We have our guest Nirupama. I've known her for a long time and I'm so honored to have her here on this story today. Nirupama, so I mean, it's just so amazing to see you. I caught you, come a long way. You have such a beautiful place,
Yeah.
Tell me something. I believe you started very late, like in the sense that, of course, maybe
Yes,
I met you
yes.
late.
Yeah, actually, Tushar, when you met me, that was my actually beginning of the journey.
Right.
And this is correct. I started my fitness journey very late, maybe after 35, when I turned 35, and I was a corporate lady.
Right.
So I left my career and I sat at home and was doing nothing. So because of that, that's lethargic and sitting idle at home, I gained lots of weight that time.
Okay.
So that way I led into depression that time.
Okay.
But I was not getting any way out, whom to ask.
Right.
And where to go, because if you talk about this thing 7 years back, nowadays fitness is everywhere. Everyone is preaching about the fitness. If you go to Google, go for any exercise video, it's available. But at my time it was not available, and I was not liking any kind of half information.
Right.
So, and it just happened. So one day I was just going to go for the regular shopping, and I was trying on few dresses, and I couldn't fit into my small size which I used to wear. And that was the alarming alarm for me that this is a high time I need to start taking care of my fitness. And because there was no information, so I started doing such kind of a certification of courses and going to the online studies and started implementing on me. And so this way it just started with me.
जी.
Yeah.
तो आपने सुना बेसिकली निरुपमा पहले कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में थी और फिर ये जो कहानी है ये एक्चुअली बहुत कॉमन है.
Yes.
आपके अभी तो नाउ आई बिलीव यू कंसल्ट लॉट ऑफ पीपल आल्सो.
Yes.
आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी मीटिंग लॉट ऑफ मॉम्स हु आर इन द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर. वी आर इन द सिमिलर स्टेज.
Yes. Now I become a corporate wellness coach, Tushar, and I have already guided around 1,000 plus people in the corporate. And the same thing they are suffering, because nowadays corporate life has become more stressful.
Right.
They don't get good food in their cafeteria to eat.
Right.
At the age of 23, 25, they are suffering from stress and BP, thyroid, cholesterol issues are there. And ladies, especially post-pregnancy, they just want to get back into their career. So they missed out on the fitness journey. And I have few clients, you won't believe, I see many ladies, they are so depressed, they are so under stress that they stop clicking their pictures. They become camera shy just because they're not liking their body shape.
Right.
That way.
Right.
Yeah.
I know the concept of another, body shaming
Yeah.
and these things used to be like a big thing. But now I see a lot of women are reached, they have started, forget weight loss, they've started competing.
Yes.
That's next level.
Next
Do you
level.
see that kind of change happening?
Yeah, I really like, I think in our circle, I see many fitness athletes
Right.
nowadays. Earlier, wearing a bikini and going in front of many people, it was a taboo. But now ladies are coming in a very beautiful and the strongest way.
Right.
And I'm seeing there are many fitness athletes who are mothers, and still they are starting their journey after, late in their age, and they're doing really good.
Right. निरुपा, आप तो काफी सोशल सर्कल्स में वगैरह जाती होंगी, लेडीज
Yes.
ग्रुप वगैरह में आप पार्टिसिपेट करती मैंने
Yes.
देखा है.
Yes.
आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक्स रिवॉल्व अराउंड फैशन, फूड एंड फिटनेस,
This was the
ये 3 टॉपिक छोड़ के
Correct.
मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा कुछ
You
लोग
won't
discuss नहीं
believe,
करते.
I personally feel such kind of pressure when I go out. This is the only question they ask. Okay, we will see what Nirupama is eating and the same thing we're gonna order.
Right.
Then I say, please live your life. Don't make it so stressful.
Right.
We have some other topics as well to talk about. Maybe you talk about your career, you know, entrepreneurship, what you are learning new. But this is the only one thing I don't know why ladies want to talk about the, you know, oh, मोटी लग रही हो, अच्छा नहीं पतली लग रही हो, अच्छा आप तो इतने फिट रहते हो, ओ यू आर मदर ऑफ वन, यू हैव अ 20 years old daughter, how you are maintaining yourself. They can't think anything beyond that. For them, fitness is not the thing. They would just want to be a particular shape. And nowadays, because of the social media especially, because of there are lots of filters available, you can, you know, resize your body, you can resize your waist.
Right.
So they just feel so stressful. They want to show their best on the social media to gain attention,
Right.
but they don't want to work on that thing the natural way.
Okay.
So yeah, these are the things in this. Yeah.
निपा, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि you know now women are opening up also on the other side देखा जाए, and you know they are more visibly seen working out in gyms.
Yes.
You know that's what I've noticed. Like of course 10 years back it was
Yeah.
different. Now women have even started having supplements and
Yes.
asking about it.
Yes.
They Google and आप देख रहे हैं ये सब changes
Yes,
हो रहा है
yes,
ऐसे?
बिल्कुल देख रहे हैं तुषार. हम लोग के टाइम में जैसे कि मैंने बताया when I started my journey,
Right.
strength training तो कहीं था ही नहीं.
Right.
When I entered, first time into the gym, they just took me to the cardio section. Okay, so aerobics, Zumba, and cardio was the one section for the ladies, and other was for
Right.
the strength training
Right.
was just for the men, for the boys.
Right.
And even I was the one who followed this cardio and everything for a year until
Right.
unless I didn't get the proper knowledge.
Right.
So nowadays, even in the gym I go and I see openly like ladies shaking their bottles and they
Yeah.
look so good.
Yeah.
They have the complete information that this is a supplement, this is not any fat thing they're taking.
Right.
You know, earlier they used to think that this supplement like whey protein or BCAA or, you know, glutamine is there.
Right.
This is kind of steroid.
Right.
But now they are knowledgeable, they understand their body, they understand about the nutrition with the well-versed knowledge available everywhere. I think there are many fitness gurus are there who are
Right.
like openly, I've been reading many things from very fitness specialists. They are saying that this is okay.
Right.
Because if you talk about whey protein,
Right.
if you are a vegetarian and if you are working out hard, you're breaking down your muscles, how are you going to repair that just from the vegetarian? I'm sure maybe people may take me wrong that I'm promoting this thing. I'm not promoting this thing. I'm just saying if your body requirement is a particular say 80 gram or 100 gram of protein and you cannot eat eggs and you cannot eat chicken and you're working really very hard, so instead of losing out your muscle, you need to take supplement
Right.
just to prepare, you know, again prepare your muscle mass.
Right.
So that's why it's okay if taking supplements are people and especially girls and talking about this thing. And not only the supplements, talk about this multivitamins and vitamin C, other supplements is good. Yeah.
Tell me, Nirupama, International Women's Day has just gone by, and now the thing is, in a nuclear family of around 4 people at home, what is the role of a lady, the lady of the house, in terms of diet and lifestyle?
I believe a lady is the, I will not say nowadays lady because it's a companionship,
Yeah.
it's a both gender, should take responsibility of home, especially don't plan your weekly ration ahead. So क्या होता है ना कि घर पे आपने ला के रख दिए फिर वो खाया ही जाएगा.
Right.
So वहीं पे पहला स्टेप लो कि आप जब भी ग्रोसरी के लिए जाओ, just don't pick any packaged thing, processed food, and whatever the food which is, you know, will say कि okay instant one.
Right.
You should not go with that food. Make a list of the complete menu because you're working, you won't be able to guide your maid on daily basis, and so pre-plan your diet, food, like complete meals, like आज क्या बनना है, ये क्या बनना है, so you will be all sorted. So I'm not saying that absolutely अब 7 के 7 दिन एकदम घर का खाना खाओ. घर के खाने में भी our Indian cuisine is such so many varieties कि आप 365 days 3 meals भी खाओगे तब भी आपका recipes खत्म नहीं होता है. Right. And same time if you're eating once, like you're going out, and make right choices. You know what to eat and what shouldn't
Right.
eat. Like avoid such kind of thick gravies or you know with many sauces. So just avoid such kind of thing. You can order for the non-veg platter or veg platter. So mode of grilled and salads and typical authentic food. You can order proper thali in fact when you're going out. And now come back to when you exercise. I believe when you all work out together, then as a family you become a happy family and a more connected family.
Right.
Nowadays, say lady says, okay, we don't get time for workout because छुट्टी का दिन मिलता है, एक ही दिन मिलता है. I believe एक दिन मिलता है, तो it's better you involve your husband. You go for a walk, spend some good quality time with him, and if you have a kid, take them to the park and with the husband and wife both play with them. If you're
Right.
not able to play some music at home and dance together.
Right.
So you cannot give excuse that बच्चा छोटा है and नहीं कर सकते हैं या
Right.
बच्चे बड़े हैं तब नहीं कर सकते. I think this is the thing where आप ज़्यादा connect करोगे family के साथ में. Because when you involve in some kind of activity, in fact, you will become a role model for your kids as well to how to lead a healthy lifestyle.
एक मेरा लास्ट सवाल है निरुपम, बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेट बैकग्राउंड
Yeah.
एंड कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर ऐसा होता है कि द लाइफस्टाइल इज क्रेजी, टाइम का कुछ ठिकाना नहीं रहता है, और ये ऐप कल्चर बहुत हो गया. ऐप
Yes.
कल्चर इज ऑर्डरिंग फूड इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट
Yeah.
एंड क्विक मील, यू आर टायर्ड, लेथार्जिक.
Yeah.
तो ये ऐप कल्चर कितना इफेक्ट कर रहा है? लाइक हाउ कैन पीपल अवॉइड जंक फूड और बिंज ईटिंग, because they are using this app culture. It's all processed
I
food.
know. I think Tushar, I talked about on my social media handle about all these apps nowadays. They are
Right.
just taking away, like they are making us more lazy.
Right. And the
The
food may also be
food,
stale.
It's stale, yes.
Yeah.
Then they are saying that okay, home fresh, but who is going and noticing that?
Right.
I understand you're a bachelor, you're working in the corporate, resources are less.
Right.
But I believe anyone can afford a housemaid, and if you will be ordering food, you'll be spending 2,000 rupees or
Right.
3,000 rupees. It's better you give 1,000 rupees to some cook
Yeah.
and ask them to cook homemade kind of thing.
Right.
So apps are really like taking our lives. I will say that's not a great thing. It's a
Yeah, of course. I think there should be a balance, and
I
how
think
people
in
should
the
find
corporate,
ways.
maybe the cafeterias or maybe HR department should take care of their food,
Right.
like kind of like I've seen there are many corporates. They have assigned dietitian and a nutritionist on their board,
Right.
in which they are dedicated just to get the quality of food and serve in the cafeteria, and they decide the even menu of what should be served in the cafeteria.
Right.
And so this can be taken well care of, and only this corporate companies involved in
Right.
this. Because we cannot demand everything from everyone. We cannot say like, okay, if you're a bachelor. However, I will say the people who are dependent on their wives or a mother for the food, it's wrong because they are working on their own body. That they should start cooking.
Right.
They should start cooking. Yeah. So for the boys, in fact, this
Right.
cooking is very much important. They should learn cooking.
So that was all for today, and all the message was for moms, by a mom herself, and what a good, she had a lot of tips to give, because it's a regular experience. जब हम ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं जो 99 वर्कआउट्स में जो आते हैं, जो आर रियल लाइफ पीपल who face these issues, who are from this backgrounds, and they can spread the message to similar lifestyle, for people who are following the similar lifestyle, and they can connect with the guest on the platform. So thank you.
Thank you so much,
it's just
Tushar,
been
and you're doing
just
wonderful.
happened,
It
that-
just happened, but you're
that
doing
we are
really
here.
wonderful.
Thank
All
you
the
so much,
stories
and
are so inspirational. Yeah.
yes, and I hope to feature a lot of people.
Yeah,
There are so
we'd
many
love to
inspirational
watch,
people
yeah.
from different walks of life, and that was the whole idea, is to motivate people.
Yeah.
So thank you very much,
Thank you
and
so much, Tushar.
keep watching 99 Workouts Season 2, because there are going to be a lot of amazing guests coming in, and of course, to refresh, there's always some
Cheers.
green tea.
We're
Thank you.
raising our like this.
Thank you.